Come on. Look. Where's all the sets? We need everything. Here's this part. Here's this part. It spins. Back.
Hey Riley, which kind of cake should we make?
Here. I want pig.
Riley, are you gonna help make the cake?
No,
Come on.
I pick one.
Get Riley. Okay.
Finally.
Which cake, guys?
This one.
All right. What do we need? Do you want to get up here, Riley?
Yeah.
Lucas, make room for Riley. All right, let's move these out of the way.
Look. Okay. So what do you need?
All right, what do we need?
That thing. It spins.
You want to do the spin one?
Yeah.
Hold on, Riley, hold on. I'm going to move this, okay?
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Maybe we can move on this side.
I got it. It's okay. I got it. I just had to get the oil out. I think that's all I need out here. All right, scoot it back. Hold on, everybody. All right. So where's the box? What do we need? Lucas, read the directions. What do we need?
We need oil
Yeah, what else?
and water,
Okay. What else?
eggs,
Eggs. Okay. Oil, water, eggs. What else? Nothing? I think that might be it. Let's see the box. Show Dad. Oil, water, eggs. That's it. Check.
okay.
All right. Put this right here.
Yeah.
What should we do first? Oil, water, or eggs? Or mix?
I don't like mix.
But watch, Riley, this is really fun.
Mix.
Can you put this in here? I need help.
Okay. Need help. Need help.
Can you put this in the bowl
Yeah.
if I open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody helps. This part's for Riley.
Side. Side.
All right, Riley. Dump it in the bowl. Okay, gentle, Lucas. Let her. What do we do once it's all in there?
No.
Tap, tap, tap.
Make it. Now we need some oil. One. It says
All right.
we need 2 oils.
We need 1 oil.
1.
Half a cup of oil. All right. So now,
Now
let's
1.
get it all. All right. Woohoo. Okay. Don't touch it too much. All right. So, can you put the rest of the oil in, Riley? What are we doing? We're making a cake for who? All right. 1 cup.
Grandmother.
For your mama. That's right.
I have water. I want water.
All right. Who's putting the water in?
Me.
Okay. Put the water in. All right. Time for some eggs. Who wants to do the eggs?
I
Okay. Whoa.
am.
Dad cracked one. Here we go. Coming in. 1 egg.
Yeah.
2 more eggs to go. Who wants to do it? You want to crack it?
Yeah.
You know how to crack an egg? Yeah, good job. Let's open it up. Yay! Let's throw it in the sink. Whoop. That's all right. 1 more egg. Let's go. You want to try again? Okay. All right, let's crack it in. Yeah, let's get some shells in there. Keep a little crunch. Good, good.
Flips.
A little crunch, right? You want to wash your hands, Riley?
Yeah.
All right. A little more. Hold it tight, okay? You got it?
Put.
All right, hold on.
Ready.
All right, let's get a little more out of there. A little more in this one, you think? righty.
Riley, we need your help. Go. Rachel's birthday cake. Let's go, Pete.
Riley, you want blue or red?
This one.
Okay. Everybody's got a stick?
He not got the stick. He not got the stick.
Alright, so I need a platter. Where do we get a platter, platter, platter? Here's a big old platter. Alright, how about this? It's glass too, great. Great idea. Alright, ready for the cake? Who's ready for the cake?
Me.
Cake, woo! Alright, who's gonna put frosting on?
Me.
Okay, put the popcorn down, please. No popcorn and cake decorating. We come back to the popcorn. Okay, ready. Who's got their spatula ready?
I am.
Carter, please don't push in. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Let me start it. Let me see this, please.
I didn't see that.
Carter, no thank you. We smear like this, see? Smear like this, okay?
Can I do it?
You can do it. Alright, here you go. Smear what's on there. Go ahead, everybody. Smear together.
Can I?
You want to dig out of here?
Can I? No.
All right. All right. Now you guys got to get it even. Smooth. Carter, are you gonna help?
Yeah.
Smooth it.
Smooth it.
All right. Try to not get my hands. See that? You want to get it on the cake. Whoa, whoa. Where are you going? All right. Who's ready to put the top on? Take your spatulas off for a second, and we're gonna put the topper on. Are you ready? Move that spatula, Carter. Lucas, ready? All right, now, what do we gotta do?
Put it on the top.
Ready?
That's mine.
Here. You need some more on here, Riley?
Yeah.
Here. All right, smear it in. Make it real pretty. Who are we making cake for?
Rachel.
Why?
'Cause yeah.
Is it her birthday? Carter, can you help? Here.
I can.
You're doing a great job. You want me to hold the cake a little bit? Here we go. Smooth it out. Is it good? Does it taste good? Mmm.
That little bit on my taste.
Yeah.
I taste it. It's yummy.
Okay, one taste. That's it.
Yum.
Yum. All right, let's stop tasting and keep smoothing. We can't eat it all before Rachel comes. Let me see once. Can I see this? I see once. Ready?